Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the BlockDAG's X1 app not working properly. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and install the latest version as recent patches fix most bugs. Then close the app completely and reopen it to reload new files. Now switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure stable connectivity. In Settings, clear the BlockDAG X1 app cache to remove temporary errors. Next, uninstall and reinstall the app, then log in again to refresh all data. Make sure your Android or iOS system is updated for full compatibility. Avoid using VPN or VoIP numbers as these may cause login or verification errors after the latest patch. Then, turn off battery saver as it can stop mining the service from running in the background. Now, check the support or FAQ to look for your issues under the app's help section as many common errors are listed. If nothing works, report the issue through the in-app support form with screenshots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.